Hey there, this is Monique Macklin over at The Credit Lady, and I wanted to take this time to invite you to our Make, Manage, and Multiply Money sessions, which will happen on Mondays and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a time for those people who are really serious about taking their personal economics to a whole new level by participating in a multi-trillion-dollar industry which is recession-proof. The best part is you do not need experience. I personally come with over 27 years experience when it comes to real estate, mortgages, credit, business funding, personal funding, business acquisition, and so much more. So when you lock arms with me, you are putting yourself in proximity of someone who is living this out in real time and someone who has a wealth of knowledge to guide you on this journey with my extraordinary team that is by my side. So if you are ready to make 2024 the year you finally position yourself for true financial freedom, then you must be willing to raise your hand by joining us on either Monday or Wednesday at 7 p.m. by joining creditladyzoom.com today. Once again, creditladyzoom.com to reserve your seat. I am committed to helping 100 people this year change the financial trajectory of their lives. I just need you to make the same commitment in yourself if success and true freedom are your goal. So again, go to creditladyzoom.com and I'll talk to you soon.